Hello everyone, welcome back. Are you stuck with the 2026-02 security update KB5077181 26200.784 that won't install and keeps showing error code 0x800f0983? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix the KB5077181 update failed error 0x800f0983 in Windows 11 quickly and safely. Make sure you follow all the steps carefully. First, we need to check your computer's date and time. Sometimes if the date or time is incorrect, Windows Update fails and shows error 0x800f0983. Here's what to do. Click on the date and time at the bottom right corner of your screen. Select Adjust Date and Time. Make sure Set Time automatically is turned on. If the date or time is incorrect, fix it manually. After correcting it, try updating Windows again. If the error is still there, don't worry, let's move to the next solution. Now we will restart the Windows Update service. Click on the Start menu. Type Services. Click on the Services app. Inside the Services window, scroll down and find Windows Update. If it is running, right-click on it. Click Restart. Now try installing the KB5077181 update again. If you still get error 0x800f0983, follow the next advanced fix. Now we will reset Windows Update components using a batch file. Follow carefully. Right-click on Desktop. Click New. Click Text Document. Now open that text document. Copy and paste the reset script into the file. The script link is available in the video description Google Drive link. After pasting, click File. Click Save As. Choose your desktop. Give it a name like fixupdate.bat. Under Save As type, select all files. Then click Save. Now you will see a new bat file on your desktop. Right-click on it. Click Run as Administrator. Click Yes. Press any key to start. Wait patiently. This process may take a few minutes. After it finishes, press any key again and restart your computer. Once your PC restarts, try installing the KB5077181 security update again. In most cases, the error 0x800f0983 will be completely fixed. So that's how you can fix the KB5077181 update failed error 0x800f0983 in Windows 11 easily. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Comment below if you are still facing the issue. I'll try to help you personally. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.